Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you something very basic, opening the rear tailgate glass. Something super simple, you can do it too. So I just wanted to show you real quick. There's no place to grab on the glass, there's no handles or anything like that, where you would just automatically go to say, okay, I want to pop the glass. There's literally nothing. All right? So it can be a little confusing if you don't have one or you haven't had one. All you do is you take your key, you put it in the lock, you hold it to the right for a couple seconds, and watch your glass. There we are. And you just grab it, up it goes. Easy peasy. If you need any other instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.